Hi, Crafty Friends. It's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? I hope everyone had a wonderful day today. It's actually 10:35 here in Texas, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Yes. But anyway, so we're gonna do a haul, and since I'm behind, I'm trying to do catch up. I'm trying to catch up, guys. Okay, so this one, let's do the first one. This one is from Bee's Crafty Corners, and they're from Canada. I got this on Etsy, and it's release paper. They have all kinds of beautiful release paper in all kinds of sizes. So I needed the smaller ones. Look at how cute this is, guys. Well, let me put this over here for now. Oh my gosh. And you know what I love about it? That it has numbers. So I'm going to take it out so you can see. See? Bee's Crafty Corner. These are 3x3, but look at how cute. Little dinosaurs. I hope I have good lighting in here. Let's see. Hold on a second. I think I do. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I think, let's see. I think if we get the ruler. Where's my ruler? Let me get my ruler so we can try to measure this. See. It's 4. Actually, I think it's 4x3. Yeah, it's 4x3. And of course, the decorative side is what you put on the top side, facing up. And then, of course, look at these little owls. I just feel like I don't have enough light. All right. Adorable. All right, so then I had ordered this, which I can't remember from where, but this is supposed to be where I believe you're supposed to put your, I don't know if I got the right size for your release paper. No, you believe this is still, yeah, still too big. Wow, if this is 4x3, then I have no idea what size you're supposed to fit in here. I should have measured it, right? But anyway, but I could still put them like this. Why not? And this is the lid. I could put the other one here. Voila. Ah, wait a minute. It does fit. Oh, mamma mia. You see? Maybe? Let's try this. Let's try this, guys. No. No, it doesn't. So I could put one here and then the other one here. I think so. All right, so let's put those aside for now. And then, of course, oh, yeah. I needed a pair. I wanted like vintage cute little scissors. So I got these on Amazon. Look at how adorable these are. I love them. It's like a rose gold. And these are considered vintage European style scissors. And I got them on Amazon for $7.47. Very, very sharp, guys. Love them. Okay, the next one. The next one is from Yellow Dog Designs, and they're from California. Let's see. And also, I'm sorry, I think they're from Canada. Yellow Dog Designs. I'm sorry, I think they're from Canada. I think I got 2 trays. Let's see. Yeah, they're from Canada. It says, hi, Sylvia. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy using your new trays. Happy diamond painting. Doug and Camille? Cammy? I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So let's see. Let's look at my new trays. I've heard lots of good things about these Yellow Dog trays. Look how pretty this is. Ooh, wow. Really nice. Ooh. Okay, so she sent me a cute little sticker. It says Yellow Dog Designs. Made with love. Yellow Dog Designs. Yes, they're in Canada. To remove static from shipping, wash your new tray in warm soapy water and dry thoroughly before use. Happy diamond painting. So you see it on Facebook and Instagram. My God, this is really nice, guys. Love the color. Quality, too. This must be the stopper. Yep. Oh, I'm definitely going to try these out. Love it. Nice. So how do you put this back in here? There. All right, let's see what's the other one that I got. Wow, I love the color. It's perfect for now. You know, that yellow-green color for the spring. And of course, I got a white one. Really nice. Love it. Oh, wow. Okay, I will definitely be ordering more of those. Okay, let's put this aside. Put my little sticker here. The next one is from Diamond Pen Pal, and it's also, I believe, on Etsy. I think these are all on Etsy, guys, and they sell beautiful pens. I think I took out all the information. Oh, there's some candy in here. This is going to be for Grandma. She's still up, by the way. So you have a pencil sticker and good morning sticker. And some candy and some candy. Gosh, I hope I didn't order this one already. You know me. Oh, wow, guys. Look at the shine. So pretty. This can go with what painting? Oh, with the baby picking flowers. It has those blues in it. Yes. And then, of course, you got some. I think I ordered the single placer. Yep. Let's put this in here. There you go. And I think this is a 3-placer or a 2-placer. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, let's put that one down here. I'm trying to go as fast because I'm a slowpoke. Okay, the next one is Diamond Painting. I'm sorry, Dynamite Diamond Shop. And this one is from Arizona, actually. This one's from Arizona. All right, so let's see. What did I order here? I know what I ordered. Remember I couldn't remember where I ordered these? Yeah, I believe this is just a bigger size. I wanted a bigger size. So let me make sure that I removed all the, yeah. It's Dynamite Diamond Shop. Okay. And they sell pens, trays, cover minders, and accessories. I'm going to be using my very cute, fancy, look how sharp that is, guys. And I'm going to keep these bubble wrap for Mama. And she loves this. Okay. I did everything. A little bit more here. All right. And this one, I think it's like a minty green color. How pretty that is. I don't know if you can see it because I don't even know if I have enough light on here right now. See? So you got a large one and a smaller one. I don't know if there's a medium size. I've got to check that out. Let's see. What does it say here? It just says one size, easy peasy. All right. And let me see if I have some. I don't have the release paper. Actually, I do. Ay. Trying to reach over here. Let's see. So we have this one. It fits in there perfectly. And let's try some of these from Crash with Crafty. Crash. This is called Beauty of Fairies. Perfect. Yep. All right. And of course, I'm going to use both of them. I know it's a lid, but I don't really need the lid. So I can use one for these and one for the Crash with Crashly. No, what is it? Crafts with Crashly. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to move that aside. Put this over here. Okay, and what else? Oh, yes. Before I forget, I definitely wanted to show you guys this beautiful little luggage. It's actually a diamond painting storage from Amazon. I got it at on Amazon, and it's 60 slots, but it's just so, look at how cute this is, guys. It looks like a little makeup bag. And when do you see the inside, the color? Love that it's black on the outside. And look at this. How pretty that is. It's like a light pink on the inside. Look at all the zippers. This has Velcro, so you can actually remove this, which is nice. You can actually put some pens in here. You have a little separate department section. And then here you have another zipper. Another one here. And then, of course, look at this. It has a zipper for so they won't spill if you're traveling with them. That's pretty cool. And I believe this is a 60 slot. Yep. Very nice. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. I love that it has a zipper, so that way they don't spill. And it's just very pretty. All right, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I got this for, I believe, $26.99. It's very, very soft, very nice. Oh, there's another zipper here. Look at that. You could put pens in here. You could put some, I don't know, candy. And another zipper. Wow. Beautiful. Love it. Okay. And then one last thing, of course, I bought this. I love washi tape. So this is washi tape. I believe there's 12 rolls in here. And this is considered vintage floral. And also from Amazon. And this was $9.99. And I will take them out so you can see how pretty they are. If I can get, let's see, my scissors. I think we can pull it out this way. Can we? Nope. One more tape. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. So pretty. Let's take, oh, yeah, let's see. It's going to be so pretty on your diamond paintings, guys. So you got like a very pretty light blue, little flowers. This is like a darker blue. And then you have a green one. And this is like a yellow green. So pretty. Love them. And you have a red one. Pink one. A lighter pink. Some purple. And this is like a blue purple. I guess periwinkle. And this is like an orangey one. So pretty, guys. I love these. Yeah. My friend says you can never, well, actually, I think I'm the one that says you can never have enough washi tape. Yeah. Okay. I think it's 6 there and one more here. Put it over here. All right. That's it, what I have. That's it, guys. So let's bring out the beautiful trays. Oh, look at this. I just noticed it says Yellow Dog Designs. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I don't know. Should we do it this way? Put this here. Is it coming out? No, right there. There. I'm going to put this one here. I don't know. This one here. This one here. Let's not forget the beautiful pen. Let's put the pen over here. Can you see it? Nope. About over here. I think you can. And of course, let's not forget my vintage scissors. And I think that was about it, guys. Oh, hello. And the bag, of course. But the bag is too big, so we'll just keep it up. All right, so that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Thank you. Bye-bye.